we have done in the first video, we have done that is f dash x upon fx dx is equal to log of fx into the c. In the second video, we are discussing this f dash x into f raised to power nx dx is equal to fx raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. First we prove this question here. First we prove integration f dash x into f raised to power n into dx. Put here fx is equal to t. Then we differentiate this with respect to x. F dash x is equal to dt upon dx. And f dash x dx is equal to dt. And now see here, substitute the value here. Integration f dash x dx की वैल्यू है dt और fx को होना t raised power n, and this is the power rule. In power rule, n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus constant of integration. Substitute the value of this fx whole raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula. But how we know that which function we substitute t? So you have to see here whose power, inside the powers you have substitute equal to t. स्क्वायर रूट है, अंदर पावर दिया है, उसको t पुट करेंगे. log है, उसको t पुट करेंगे. For example, we are taking some example here now. The questions are, the question is log x whole square upon x dx. Judge the question before we do the question. Here log x derivative is 1 upon x. Just the question, log x is equal to 1 upon x. So we substitute here log x is equal to t and differentiate with respect to x. Log x is 1 upon x, dx is equal to dt. Now 1 upon x, dx is equal to dt. Now see here, this question can be written as log x का whole square into 1 upon x into dx. And 1 upon x dx की value, this value is equal to dt. This value is equal to dt and this is equal to t square. And here we apply the formula, that is t की power 3, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c. And here substitute the value of t, that is log x whole cube divided by 2 plus c. We do more question here. Here the another method is 1 upon sin x dx or 1 upon 1 plus sin x or 1 upon 1 plus cos x or 1 upon 1 minus cos x. Whenever the question is in this form, we always rationalize this sum. I am doing only the one question form here. 1 upon 1 minus sin x dx. First, we already said that is rationalize with opposite sign. 1 minus sin x means we are multiplying and dividing by 1 plus sin x dx. 1 plus sin x in the denominator, a plus b, a minus b, that is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. And here formula 1 minus sin square x. And 1 minus sin square x is equal to cos square x. Substitute here 1 plus sin x upon cos square x dx. Separate them. Now 1 upon, this can be written 1 upon cos square x plus sin x upon cos square x dx. 1 upon cos square x can be written as secant square x dx plus, and this can be written as sin x upon cos x into 1 upon cos x. and sine upon cos is tangent x into secant x dx, and secant square x is equal to tangent x plus tan x secant x is equal to secant x plus c. And the question is, this can be written 1 upon 1 plus cos x or 1 minus cos x can be solved by like this also, or the another method for this is 1 upon cos x or 1 upon 1 minus cos x. This is the second method. We apply the direct formula. That is 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. Integration 1 upon 2, 1 upon cos square is secant square x by 2 dx, and 1 upon 2 secant square integration is tangent x by 2 divided by coefficient of x 1 by 2 plus c. 2 से 2 cancel हो गया, that is equal to tangent x by 2 plus c. We are adding here one more things here, that is in the case of square, the two formulas. In the case of square, जब भी कोई चीज़ स्क्वायर में दी हुई है, जैसे secant square and cosecant square x, we know the formula only this: secant square is equal to tan x and cosecant square x is equal to minus cot x, and left, that is sine square, cos square, tan square, cot square, we don't know the formula. We have to solve these questions like this. The first is, we are solving tan square x. Tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1 into dx, which is equal to secant square x minus dx, separate them, 1 into dx, and secant square x is equal to tangent x minus 1 integration is x. Cot square x dx, cot square x can be written as cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Separate them, that is cosecant square x dx minus 1 into dx, and cosecant square integration is minus cot x, and integration of 1 is x plus c. That is sine square x. We can't do the direct here. Apply the formula, that is 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Separate them, 1 by 2 into dx minus 1 by 2 cosecant 2x dx. 1 by 2 take outside, 1 into dx minus 1 by 2 constant take outside, cos 2x into dx. 1 by 2, the integration of 1 is x, minus 1 by 2 cos 2x is sin 2x divided by coefficient of x plus c, and here x by 2 minus sin 2x upon 4 plus c. Similarly, you can do cos square x, and the result we are getting 1 by 2 into plus sin 2x upon 4 plus c. Same situation is there. You have just the formula. Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x, 1 by 2, 1 की integration 1 और integration inverse process है, they will cancel to each other. We get x here plus cos 2x is sin 2x upon coefficient of x or the derivative of 2x. Thank you.